Welcome viewers to Tiny Tutor-Tube. I'm Solomon, and today we are embarking on an enlightening journey into the world of research methodologies. Join me as we delve into the mysteries surrounding literature review and systematic review, uncovering 8 key contrasts between these two essential components of academic inquiry. So number one, we're going to define to provide the definition and the purpose. So let's start by defining the fundamental differences in the purpose of literature review and systematic review. A literature review provides a comprehensive overview of existing literature on a topic, aiming to summarize, analyze, and synthesize knowledge in a particular field. On the other hand, a systematic review follows a rigorous methodology to systematically identify, evaluate, and synthesize evidence to answer a specific research question. So on the scope and focus, contrast the scope and focus of literature review and systematic review. While a literature review may have a broader scope covering a wide range of literature to provide context and background, a systematic review focuses on a specific research question or hypothesis and follows a predefined protocol to identify relevant studies. So the other one is on the search strategy, the difference between their strategies on the search. So on this one, explore the contrasting approaches to search strategy in literature review and systematic review. So a literature review may involve a more flexible and exploratory search strategy, including various sources such as books, articles, and gray literature. So in contrast, a systematic review follows a systematic and comprehensive search strategy, including predefined search terms, databases, and inclusion or exclusion criteria to minimize bias and ensure thoroughness. So the other difference is on the study selection. Examine the differences in study selection criteria between literature review and systematic review. So while a literature review may include a broad range of sources based on relevance and significance to the topic, a systematic review applies strict eligibility criteria to select studies that meet predefined criteria such as study design, population, intervention, and outcome measures. That is on the study selection. So the other point is the other difference is on the data extraction and synthesis. So in literature review, data extraction may involve narrative analysis and thematic synthesis to summarize and interpret findings. In contrast, a systematic review employs standardized methods such as statistical meta-analysis to quantitatively synthesize data from included studies and draw conclusions. The other point or the other difference is quality assessment. What is the difference between the two? While a literature review may prioritize relevance and contribution to the topic, a systematic review rigorously assesses the methodological quality of included studies using predefined criteria to evaluate risk of bias and ensure the validity of findings. So our number 8 is on the bias, no, our number 7 is on the bias reduction. So a literature review may rely on the reviewer's expertise and judgment to minimize bias, whereas a systematic review employs systematic methods such as comprehensive search strategies, transparent study selection criteria, and rigorous quality assessment to minimize bias and enhance reliability. So our number eight is reporting standards. There are differences on the literature review and the systematic. While both methodologies emphasize transparency and completeness in reporting the review process and findings, a systematic review follows standardized reporting guidelines, such as PRISMA, which is preferred reporting items for systematic reviews, and meta-analysis to ensure consistency and rigor in reporting. Thank you for joining me on this enlightening exploration of the key contrasts or the differences between the literature review and the systematic review. If you found this presentation insightful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tiny Tutor-Tube for more educational content on research methodologies and academic writing. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep uncovering the mysteries of the scholarly world with us. Thank you so much.